YouTube! Hold on, real quick. Let me walk down these stairs. YouTube! It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Right now! Y'all don't understand right now.
It's going
right
down.
now. Hold on. Chris.
Don't fall.
Chris.
It's about to be a movie.
Chris, you gotta come back, man. You gotta come back, Chris. Yeah. Chris, you gotta come back. Right now, I'm gonna dedicate this to Get Beam because I did a Get Beam cut.
What's going on, man?
I did a Get Beam cut, and I was saving the video up until I seen him. So we gotta get him while he off guard. He didn't know that I was gonna come down here.
I definitely didn't know. Jeezy didn't say anything.
All right, this cut is that cut where he did $1 million on, okay, in that fade, that crispy lineup. I did the same thing, all right? We got your boy, come on now, Tyler.
What's up, man? Clean cuts to one.
Talk to him.
Clean cuts to one. If you ain't checking it out, I'm working.
Okay, you working. I need to come down here then.
He's working. He's currently working. Right?
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm working. He's working.
Putting in the work.
I'm trying.
Listen, we don't. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. In this video, I did a ball fade, basic. Okay. Nothing extraordinary. Okay. It was just a transformation. That's all. It was a Get Beam cut. I don't even think. I don't feel like I got him in here good enough. Hold on, you guys.
Look at this dude.
You gotta talk. You gotta talk.
Man.
You gotta talk.
What do you want me to say? What you want me to say, man?
They want to hear what you gotta say.
Man, what's going on, YouTube? I don't know what Jeezy's gonna do with this video. I don't know what he has planned. It better be smoke because he's on this camera. He got me on this camera. Meaning, if it's not good, drop that in the comments. Hashtag TBT. You know what time it is. Let's get this money.
You heard it here.
He beams a lot. Wow. He beams a lot.
Let me walk up down. Let me walk up the stairs and think about what I'm about to put out right now. Because, you know what I mean? If it ain't TBT quality, you know what I mean? I don't know.
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, you guys, I'm going to start by running the 2-guard with the grain using my wall cordless seniors. My client wanted to cut his whole hair off. He wanted to come back to waves. Basically, that's what he's doing. He's getting a ball fade with waves on top. Alright, first guideline I'm gonna set is the bald line using my Andy Slimline Pro LIs, and I'm kind of putting a curve to the bald line. I'm not setting it in straight back, you know what I mean? I'm dropping it below the bone in the back, and I'm just gonna bring it back up on the other side. Now that you set in the bald line, I'm just taking my Andis cordless BGRCs to take off the rest of the bulk. Now using my wall cordless seniors with the lever open, I'm going up about 1 inch, making sure I scoop out along the way. With the one guard open, I'm just scooping out, making sure I go straight up because you don't want to set in a harsh guideline. I'm going up the same width that I set the lever open, so make sure you guys keep it consistent. So with the 2 guard open, I'm gonna run the clipper against the grain, but I'm gonna make sure that I keep the blade flat and not dig in, you know what I mean? So make sure you run the clipper straight up. His hair grows with the grain, so I'm trying to just, you know, go against the grain of the pattern. Right now I'm just going to take my comb and comb the hair in place. The hair's been sticking up for so long, so you want to make sure you constantly brush and lay that hair back down. So right now I got my 2 guard on closed and I'm going with the grain right in that ridge area. I'm just, you know, laying the hair back down, taking off some of that bulk, because like I said, when the hair's been sticking up for so long, you want to make sure you know, go with the grain as much as possible to lay it down. So I switched to my fast feeds. So with the 0 guard closed, I'm flicking out that middle line. The reason why I'm using my fast feeds now, because you know, it's a slower motor and you know, it doesn't cut as fast as the other clippers. So you know, my theory is, because it doesn't cut as much, you're not taking off too much at one time, because what you're really doing is breaking that line. You're not actually bringing the fade up, you're just trying to break that line. With the 1 guard closed, I'm getting, you know, I'm flicking out, I'm getting that area where I see bulk right above it. You know, I'm just taking baby steps from here, doing some detail work and just cleaning things up. So with the lever closed, in a flick out motion, flick out the bottom line. So here's a little tip that I could give you guys. when doing your lineups. Right now you guys see me with the hot towel. I put it in the hot towel warmer, and I'm just gonna put the hot towel on my client's front lineup. Now what it's doing is drying the hair out, drying the skin out. Basically, when you put a hot towel on anything, it opens up your pores and it basically gets all the grease and gunk out of your hair. So that's basically what I'm doing. It actually gives your client a fresh lineup. You won't really have to use spritz or, you know, hairspray or anything like that, because the hair will be dry, laid down, and you can just come behind the liners, and that's how you kind of give it that ashy effect. So right here, I'm just going to use the blow dryer to dry everything out, make sure the hair is not wet, make sure it's dry, so I can come behind it with the liners. You guys are going to see how crispy it comes out. So after every client, you want to make sure that you do a freehand trim. Use your shears, whatever you want to do to lay that hair down or get the frizz off the top. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. If you want to know where you could get any tools that you've seen in this video, please check out the link in the description below. Otherwise, it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheers.